I have been working my butt off over the last year because I have been developing a membership called the Gains Club, and it is on my website. And this is me officially launching it. So on my membership site, on my website, I have an area where I post every week a new meal plan that you can follow if you are not sure how to eat healthy and you need a place to start. You get a new meal plan with new recipes every week, as well as every month I'm posting workouts of the month that give you something that you can follow for when you go to the gym or if you're working out at home. I also have weekly posted training tips, nutrition tips, recipes, fat loss tips. So that is all now live on my website, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Meal plan of the week this week is, so excited about this recipe, the strawberry protein sheet pan pancakes. All of the meal plans that I'm gonna be posting throughout the year are high protein and calorie smart. So you get at least 25 grams of protein for each of the meal recipes, and then you get a couple of snack recipes that are 10 grams of protein each. And this, usually I try to keep it around 2,000 calories a day, which is really modifiable according to whatever your calorie goals are. Most people are like between 2,000 and 2,500 calories a day. So you can like add, modify, switch things out. When you have the membership, you can download the meal plan, and it includes a grocery list, a schedule that you can follow for when to cook things and when to eat things. And it has the recipes, and they will be yours forever. So once you download them and you can print them off, or you can just follow them on your computer, and it switches every week. I'm posting these on Friday to give you enough time to go to the grocery store. And then the idea is that if you're meal prepping, you'll meal prep over the weekend between Friday and Sunday. I also post new recipes in the recipes section. I usually post at least 5 recipes around some kind of a theme. And in the nutrition tips, there's usually recipes in the nutrition tips section as well. So you'll be able to build out your routine. If you are like trying to get started, or if you want to refine your healthy eating, please join the membership because there's lots of tips in there. You'll be set, you'll be on your way. And then the other thing that I'm really excited about is the workouts of the month and the training tips. So I'm posting these as guides for people who are looking for a little bit of guidance in their workouts, what they should be doing. And then also the training tips themselves will give you some guidance on how to work out more effectively, how to improve your technique. I'm gonna be referencing this when we relaunch and start our Technique Tuesdays streams again. The technique tips that I'm going to be assessing everybody's exercises by will have some kind of a corresponding post here that you'll be able to access. Of course, also, if you are specifically interested in fat loss, there is a section that is specific on topics that have to do with fat loss. Right now, how to get started, 3 ways to reduce belly fat, and then moving forward, it's gonna be more refined, zooming into different aspects of fat loss types of posts. I hope to see you guys there. I'm really excited and I'm really proud of this because I worked really hard on it.